Okay, now we're about to just walk to Gandhi Square and go have go meet with a friend. She's gonna have coffee. I'm gonna probably drink some tea and just chill till I meet up with Polly a little bit later today, and then we'll be walking around Braamfontein. So it just shows you some of the streets of Josie. Now this up here on the left is actually Bank City. It's a really nice area, and it's a nice little place to sit, chill. Hey, what's up, brother? They got little restaurants, eateries out there. Real cool spot. One of the things that I really love about Johannesburg, here in the city area, and they call this CBD, is the old buildings. Just one of my things. I like architecture, history, and I really love old buildings. It's like a lot of old energy there. Like, it just gets your imagination going. So now, this is just my opinion, one of the most dangerous things in Johannesburg for me is crossing the streets. You have to really understand to look both ways, because coming from America and you're just used to everything coming from the left, it's different, man. So the traffic is a little bit crazy right now because of the load shedding. So all the traffic lights are out. And here's a word of advice: if you come to Johannesburg, they call traffic lights robots. They're not traffic lights here. And the weather right here now is really nice. It's not wintertime anymore. So this right here will be a good test with the 4K lens to see how it's handling the sun exposure. And then if you have an Insta361R and you've been using it, let me know. Give me some ideas and some tips, because this is new for me. And as you see, the people here don't bother you. Like, there's nobody messing with you on the streets or anything. Only thing, people are looking at me a little weird if you see it, is because they're trying to figure out who am I talking to. I think this is the street. Let me see if I can let you see. Like, you see, like, this building, like how the statues are. Man, I love stuff like this. Like, this is one of the reasons why I really love this city. And so we're about one more block, or 2 blocks from Gandhi Square. So this is Commissioner Street. I used to live down this street when I first came here. Really nice apartment. Yeah, because it's right across from the Standard Bank. So you can tell the electricity's been out a minute. It's messing up a lot of businesses. So people just doing what they got to do to move around, work around it. So for me, I just let the cars go. I don't even try to walk until I see it's a clearing. And also, like, if you're living in New York City, you would love living down here. It's way more affordable than New York City, and it's good people. So I don't know if you can see in front of us the Johannesburg Culinary School. That was the first place I lived in. There's apartments on the top floor. Really nice. So now we're gonna cross the street. This here, where I'm walking by, is the old First Standard Bank. Really beautiful bank. Just because of traffic, I'm not gonna try to film it right now. I should be going up, I think, 2 more blocks and make a left. Then I'll be in the center of Gandhi Square. Let's cross here. Also, still weird for me to see people driving on the right-hand side of the car. So one of the things I do when crossing the street, I do not cross in front of cars because I never know when I have the right of way of it or they do. Now, a lot of these buildings you're seeing down here are actually apartment homes and flats that are for rent. And we're talking about very affordable prices down here. So this next little block here, we're gonna make a left, and then I think that's gonna take us straight into Gandhi Square. This is a nice little walk to test this out. Also to see how good this memory card can hold filming 4K video. So I do plan on shooting a lot more videos of Joburg and the surrounding cities around here while I'm going out. Because one of the things, you know, it's sad because a lot of people are afraid that it's so dangerous here. And this is a really good city with a lot of great people here. And if you're coming from the U.S., you're going to feel right at home here. So this is Gandhi Square coming up. You know, it's funny we're walking to Gundy Square today because not yesterday, one of these days it just hit me. I was like, man, I'm living in a country where of a man that, you know, you study so much in history, hearing about Gandhi's, how he used peace, and it's like, wow, I'm here. Excuse me, brother. Alright, so here is Gundy Square. As you see, there's a Pizza Hut, Nando's, which is food. All of this stuff here. Very, very beautiful area. And I love just walking over here on Sundays. Because on Sundays, usually no one's out on the street. But you see, like, they have the buses here. Also, don't let the sight of seeing police here scare you. They're just here. Usually the police is making more traffic than anything. Look like there may be some kind of event going on. Some people drumming. So, let's check it out. You see, like, there's a lot of culture and history things. Like, I want to say the Winnie Mandela's house is over here. I'll get a shot of it. Okay, it looks like there's about to be some kind of parade or something. Some little march they got going on, which is cool for the kids. Also, one thing I'll say about here in South Africa, the people are very polite and proper. If you're coming from the U.S., you're probably going to feel like, oh man, I did not learn good English. And so right here in front of us, if you can see, that's a statue of Gandhi when he as a lawyer, when he was younger. Really cool. Then you see like all of this. So this is South Africa. It's a really good place. And this is Johannesburg. And then, yes, here we go, the Winnie Mandela house. I don't know what this is. I'm not going to lie to you. I haven't been in there yet. Every time I walk through here, it looks like it's closed. Let's see if I can get you to see it. This is it right here, the Winnie Mandela house, the red and black. So I'm about to just chill now, wait on my friend, and that's it.